Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's cook with Rozina. Today we are diving into a delicious world of pickled grapes. This unique treat combines the sweetness of grapes with a tangy vinegar honey blend, creating a delightful snack or a perfect addition to your favorite dishes. Join me as I guide you through the simple steps to make these mouth-watering pickled grapes at home. Let's get started. In a saucepan, add half a cup of honey, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1 cup of water, and combine together. Bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And while it simmers, skim off any foam that forms on the surface. And then remove the saucepan from the heat and let the liquid cool completely. Perfect. Wash the grapes under cool running water to remove any dirt. Remove stems and discard any grapes that are not firm. It's important to select only the freshest grapes for the best result. Okay, begin by placing the washed grapes into a clean jar. You can choose to use grapes with stems for added visual appeal or stemless grapes if you prefer a more straightforward presentation. Add dried rosemary leaves or sprigs for additional flavor. This aromatic herb will impart a delightful sense to our pickled grapes. Alright, with the grace of a seasoned chef, carefully pour the cooled vinegar honey mixture over the grapes until they are fully submerged. Just like this. Perfect. Cover the top of the jar with cling film and secure it with a tight lid. Store the jar in a cool, dark corner of your kitchen or in the fridge for 1 week.